Now, this is an important chapter. So, profit, we're going to look at revenues and we're going to look at costs and how we can maximize our profit. Total revenue, the total amount of money received by the firm from the sale of its goods. So, total revenue is the price multiplied by the quantity sold, and it's upward sloping from left to right. Now, the next one, average revenue, is an important point now. Average revenue is the total revenue divided by the number of units sold. So average revenue is equal to the total revenue divided by quantity. Now, the total revenue is price multiplied by quantity over Q, and the Q's cancel each other's out. So average revenue is also known as the price. The average revenue is equal to the price. Average revenue is always the same as the price. Could you highlight that, please? Marginal revenue then, this is the change in total revenues as a result of the sale of an extra unit of output. Now let's work on that from the figures below. Average revenue is constant or falling. If AR is constant, the firm will not need to reduce the price to sell extra output. So we have output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price is €5 if you sell one, €5 each if you sell two, €5 each if you sell three, etc. So my total revenue is Q multiplied by P, 1 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5. So therefore my marginal revenue. So if I sell none, my total revenue is 0. If I sell one, my total revenue is 5. Therefore, my marginal revenue is 5. If I sell 2, my total revenue is 10. If I sell 1, my total revenue is 5. So therefore, my marginal revenue is 5. So marginal revenue is the extra revenue earned as a result of the sale of an extra unit of output. If AR is constant, which is here, then AR is equal to MR. That's an important point. You need to highlight that, please. Now, and here is the diagram for AR equal to MR. So you have price and you have the quantity. There's your €5. Doesn't matter how many units you sell, the average revenue or the price remains the same. The second one we're going to look at, if AR is falling, the firm will need to lower its price to sell extra output. As price goes down, the quantity demand goes up. It obeys the law of demand. So quantity 1, 2, 3, 4. The average revenue or the price of one unit is €10. Of 2 units, it's €8.50 each. Of €3, it's €7 each. And if we sell 4 to a person, it's €5.50 each. The total revenue is Q multiplied by P or Q multiplied by AR. 1 multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied by 8.5, 3 multiplied by 7, etc. My marginal revenue then is the extra revenue earned from the sale of an extra unit of an output. So if I sell nothing, my total revenue is nothing. If I sell 1, my total revenue is 10. Therefore, my marginal revenue of selling 1 unit is 10. My total revenue producing 2 is 17 against the total revenue producing 1, which is 10. So my marginal revenue is 7. Now, therefore, if AR is falling, right, AR is greater than MR. And you can see AR is falling, but therefore AR is greater than MR. Look, 8.5 is greater than 7. 7 is greater than 4. 5.5 is greater than 1. Now, at output 1, obviously AR is equal to MR because that's the starting point for each. Profit. Profit is defined as the difference between total revenue and total cost. Included in total costs are the costs of the business plus the entrepreneur's profit. Now the next bit is vital. Where total revenue minus total cost is equal to 0, we have normal profit. Where total revenue minus total cost is greater than 0, we have supernormal profits. So supernormal profits are profits in excess of normal profits. Could you highlight that, please?